we are going to learn pencil shading on object. Last time we learned on how to do shading on geometrical shape like a cube, circle and right triangle. Now with this assignment worksheet we are going to learn color intensity of pencil shading. For this I am going to use pencil like HB, 2B and 4B. If you want to take, you can take 8B also. Now as you can see, there are two pictures. One is a color and second is a black and white. Actually this both pictures are same, but I convert into black and white. That's time we are able to get the color intensity of that object with the help of grayscale. Now if you doing any object, first of all you have to draw with the help of geometrical shape. I am going to give one example about it. If you see the various type of instrument and equipments are you purchased from anywhere, it will be come in box. Okay, that's why you can see that the inside object is in different shape, but you can see the outside of that box and whatever is packaging is there, it is in some geometrical shape it is. Okay, like this you have to identify the object inside the box. That's why I am going to start with the basic shapes. As you can see here, that object is there of miniature pot is there. You can see the sometime we are able to divide two object in two parts. Here like this only I am going to cut it, that box in two parts, make a line on that box and make a two same parts. As you can see, if you are able to draw the one part properly, you can repeat another side as same. When you making the oval shape, you can see the what is visible from your angle. Sometimes the object is a downside, you can see the more part of top side. If object of in front of your eyes, you are not able to see the top part or top surface. That's why make that sure the in front of your object what is object is there, how much visible from your direction, and then you have to draw the drawing. Okay, with the help of basic form we are able to make the curve lines and try to make a same shape. Okay, this is a basic assignment regarding still life. Afterwards we are going to learn still life, but before that we have to learn this assignment and learn this pencil shading of object. It is very essential. Now here I am going to draw the outline part of that pot. See that how much part is visible, how much part is overlapping to each other. It also you have to see one more thing, which object is coming first in your eye level. For example, in this drawing you can see the red color pot is coming in front of your eyes, first part. Then second one is a white color and third one is a brown color. Like this we have to draw. Also start with this direction, which part is coming front or first, we have to draw that first, then overlap each and other things. Now on background also there are lots of folds are there, but you can show the minimum fold, those are required, that only you are able to see. Now see here I am making the oval shape. When you making that oval shape, see that there will be not any sharp corner. You have to make circle shape or round shape. There is no any sharp corner because this is a circle. From top angle you can see this is a circle. Okay, like this we are going to draw the one by one all drawing, and we are going to start the shading on it. When you making the shading, you have to understand the color intensity through the pencil shading. For example, as you can see, the red color is look like a more dark there, then brown color, then white, and then background. If you can able to the make a measurement of this, last time we learned the one color scheme. Okay, like this also, this is also one color scheme, but here some we have to make some light, middle, dark. Okay, these three shades are there. Of that object also there are light, middle, dark. This three type of object I choose there to keep in front of you. In that also you have to make the understand like this. In light you have to make light color shades. In middle you have to make middle color shades. In dark you have to make middle dark color shades, like this. Okay, there is no any middle tone in light section, there is no any dark color in middle section. Okay, like this you have to understand the color intensity through the pencil shade. If you are able to understand these things, you are able to do with color also. Now here I am going to make a division between the what is the dark part is there and what is the light part is there. Okay, like this, make them, just make one light line to get you identify where is which part is the dark, which part is the light. Then you are able to understand to make a dark shade and a light part. On background also you have to do work. Okay, in elementary in intermediate student it is compulsory to do. Okay, in elementary is not compulsory, but intermediate you have to do the background also. But when you making practice, try to draw each and everything to learn. Here I am going to do the pencil shading. If any white part is there, you can rub that part and show the light. Okay, it is not exactly light because every pot having a different light. This is the light of that color, light shade. For example, as you can see on red color pot, there is a white spot is there, but actually you are not if you are able to see there is a light red color is there. The intensity of that white is different on different objects. We have to do work more one by one we are going to make a shading on it, then you are able to understand. But here I am just going to introduce the what is the pencil shading and how to do pencil shading. This is not complete, I am not going to complete this, just for your identification how to solve this worksheet. That's why I am going to do on it. You have to spend more work to do shading. Here I done this in 30 minutes. I am going to forward this video now. Like this you can one by one make direction, take a perfection in your drawing. Okay, then after some dark, if you want to make more darker, you can try easily overlap the pencil shading. If you are able to use a different color, different pencil of HB or 2B or 4B or 6B, this also you can use there. One by one you can complete this all shading. There is no need to draw the outline too sharp, but for your identification I am going to draw the dark and bold line there to get exactly shape of that object. I am trying to show you. Okay, if you want to make more darker, you have to do work more on it. But try to understand this thing. These three objects are in different shades. In this worksheet we are going to learn this thing. Every color having a different intensity. We are going to show through the pencil this intensity like this. If you want to do the color in background also, where is the shadow is coming, actually there are lots of things like light, middle, dark, and one more part is there, reflected light is there. We are going to discuss it just shortly. Afterwards I am going to explain it in detail. See that I am going to give one example about it. What is a reflected light? If you keep any glass or any something in front of you, and if any object, dark object or light object there, it all will be reflect, the light also reflect. In that you can see there is a white pot is there, on that the green color shadow, green color near the shadow, the light is reflected. This also we are going to able to show with the help of pencil, but you have to try to observe the object, be carefully, then and then only you are able to understand the color intensity of that object. Okay, one by one we are going to complete this like this. Now here, as you can see, we are going to the near the completion. Now just final touch up we are going to do. On background you can see that I do some shadings more there to show the folds. Okay, like this. We are going to do more work on it, but we don't have that much time. But you are able to understand from this worksheet. Afterwards, on background also I am going to do this shading. As you can see, I keep my pencil where I keep in my hand. Then just light. If any light is there, you have to use the eraser to the light part of that object. You do shading on it. Try to keep that part white, but you are not able to keep. Then you can use eraser as a light part. Like this we are going to complete this worksheet. With the help of this worksheet we are going to understand we learned today how to show the color intensity with the help of pencil, like this. Afterwards we are going to start new one topic. Till that time, bye bye everyone.